Question number 4, there are 3 given question which is this thing. So when I try to write it in the simultaneous equation, I write it as x2 equal to x3 minus 2x4, and then I substitute this in this equation. I will get this thing. I will get 3x3 minus 3x4. Then for the question number 2, I will write it as x1 equal to x2 plus minus x4, and then I substitute it in this equation. Then I will get as x2 equal to negative x4. Then when I get this thing, I put it in this equation. Then I will get x3 equal to x4, and then I substitute it again. X1 for this formula, this thing, I will write it x1 equal to negative x2 minus x3 minus 3x4. Then as we know that x2 is equal to x4, x3 is equal to x4, so I write it as 2x4 minus 2x4 minus x4 minus 3x4. Then I will get as x1 is equal to negative 2x4. We can say that this system is a linear system that is consistent with a many solution, because in this case we can see that x1 is equal to negative 2x4, we can say that x2 is equal to negative x4, and x3 is equal to x4. So this variable is depend on each other, which is it's depend on x4. If if I say that x4 is equal to x3, then if I substitute it in this equation, then I will say that all this variable is depending on x3, so and so on, like this. So when we try to plot the graph, we can say that the graph, all these lines are on the same line. When all the graph on the same lines, we can say that the system is depending with a many solution. Okay.
For question number 5, we can say the first system is consistent. Why the second system is also consistent? This is because we can look for the first, second, and third. For first system and second system, it is the same. Then the second system, for fourth column for the second system, it is depend on the first system for the fourth column. So we can say that second system is also consistent. And second system also, it has 4 variable. The number of variable is more than the number of equation. Then it is dependent, and it has many solution.